Guess my sanity breaks away too easy.
Bring it to a hump, back down. Bring it to a hump, you're whack and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a hump, you're whack and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is.
Upside down, had a flame make a rise, all I saw was doubt. Oh, paranoid, got lost in my own world. Made a choice, now it's too late to return. Watch my sanity break away too easy.
Bring it to a hump, back down. Bring it to a hump, you're whack and it's all your fault. Back down. Bring it to a hump, you're whack and it's all your fault. Back down, back down, back down, back down, back down. That's how it was and that's how it is. Back.
Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this little training video. These last 4 months have been pretty busy for me competition wise. We were in Colorado in May, in June we were in South Carolina, July we were in Vegas, and then I just got back from Houston just a little over a week ago. Things have been pretty busy, kind of non-stop as far as just kind of competing. So now, from now until the end of the year, things are going to kind of calm down just a little bit. So I'm really going to take the time to just get back into a really solid training routine, add a few new things here and there as far as like kicking techniques go, and then also a little bit of some strength and conditioning, and just kind of just stay on top of that training, just keep going in that groove, and then whenever another competition comes around, I'll be ready for that. But I do want to thank all of you for the continued support and the positive messages on all of my recent tournament videos. I really do appreciate all of that. You guys are awesome. And also stay tuned. I'm going to be working on, since now I have a little bit more free time, I'm going to be working on some new videos and all the different kinds of stuff coming out very soon over the next few weeks. So hope you all are also looking forward to that. Thank you all again for all the continued support. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next videos.